I'm going to discuss to you the game Shatong, which is the best example of laro ng Lahi. And before we go to the demonstration and the process on how to play this game, we need to discuss first the experiences and cultural background of the Shatong, as well as the mechanisms and the equipments involved in the game of Shatong. So let's go. Okay, the first thing that we need to talk about is the my experiences in playing Shatong, and why I choose this type of laro ng Lahi. So the first thing that I realized first when I'm brainstorming about what type of game that I would choose is that Shatong is very memorable and is very remarkable when it comes to the daily activities of a Mandayan individual. So Shatong is played primarily in pastimes on afternoons and Sundays, and Shatong is a game that is probably seen on the highlands of Manay. So Shatong is a game that is very rich in fun times, and you can really create many memories in Shatong in your childhood. Diba? So before we go to the demonstration of the game Shatong, we need to discuss first, or we need to familiarize ourselves first with the equipments used in the game of Shatong. So I have here the two pieces of sticks or wooden sticks, the one with the larger stature and the one with the little stature. So this bigger stature can be the size of a 12 inches or a size of a ruler, and this one will can be a size of a 5 to 6 inch long. So these two sticks are primarily used in the game Shatong. So later on we will going to find out what is the use and what is the mechanisms involved in this game. So for the mechanics of Shatong is often played by two parties. So two parties is consisted of 5 to 6 players, and there is a scoring involved in that one, and there are many rules that is specifically derived from the game as we continue in play. So we are here now to demonstrate the actual procedures on how to play the Shatong. So the first thing that we need to do in playing Shatong is to dig a hole. After you dig a hole, is to place this smaller stick on the top of the hole, place it in the middle, and then after that is you need to position the larger stick, which is this one, to the middle position, and need to bend your body and strike the smaller stick with the bigger stick, and like that one. That is the first thing that is involved in playing Shatong. So upon the strike after you strike the smaller stick with the bigger stick, there comes the scoring. The scoring involves the agreement between the two opposite parties. Then, for example, the agreed scoring would be the limit of 1,000 points. So if we strike the smaller stick to a further distance, the opposing team will appraise or will measure out the distance through the scoring points. So for example, this distance from here to there, the opponents will score the distance 20 points. So you need to stack up your score until you are going to reach 1,000 before before the game is over. So after that, if the opposite side failed to touch the stick, then there is a chance to oppose the leading team by striking the smaller stick to a bigger stick. So let's try. So after I hit the stick with the after I hit the bigger stick with the smaller stick, I have the chance, or my team have the chance to be in the on the leading, while the leading team would be degenerate on the after that, after the points are stacked up and reach 1,000 points, which is the agreed scoring limit of the opposing sides, then here comes the punishment from the leading team, which will be established by hitting the stick with a bigger stick. So on to the last part of the game, Shatong, before we end this game, is you need to demonstrate, or you need to follow the rules, which is to yell the word Shatong until you reach the bigger stick. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 7. Shatong. Then you need to hit the stick, the smaller stick with the bigger stick. After that is the end of the game.